Hey guys, what's up? It's me again. So I hope you've been practicing the classic palm and the finger palm. Now I'm going to teach you the thumb clip right here. So I'm going to leave this at a bit of an exposed view. The thumb clip basically looks like this. The coin clips between your thumb and the bone here of your first finger like that, right there. And this gives you some pretty good angles. You can see that your hand can be kept flat like this. You can move these fingers, have free movement, and you can show your hand relatively empty and relaxed. Unfortunately, the disadvantage with thumb clip is the fact that the thumb has to be kept straight to keep the coin pinned to its position. However, thumb clip has many uses, and I'm going to show you a few right now. Just really quickly, how to get into thumb clip right now. You're going to take the coin and you're going to put it towards the front of your fingers, the tips of your fingers here, and you're going to curl those fingers back, removing the forefinger a little bit away. So you're basically holding the coin at the very extreme edge on this side and pushing it towards the thumb crotch here. You're going to squeeze the thumb like this against the bone of your forefinger, the deep part of your forefinger, and you're going to straighten your hands. And you are, my friend, in thumb clip, like that. The way to get out of it is you can just pull that out like that, or you can drop it like that. And we're going to be getting into different ways to use those, but also you can just kind of show your hands like this. So if you're in front and you just have your hands like this, you can create a wiping motion, and just by straightening your hands you can allow that thumb to become moving free like this, while maintaining a bit of friction. And you can come down and get that into finger palm like this as you work to produce the coin. So let's get into a little bit of that sequence right now. So once you have the coin in thumb clip like this, you can actually hold your hand out. You can create a wiping motion like this, all the while this coin is being hidden by the thumb. Now, I should note the angles of this are relatively straightforward. You want to keep the angle of the coin towards the spectator's eyes. So this coin is like this, so the spectator's eyes would be going straight forward like this. So if I point this coin towards your eyes like this, when I clip the thumb, you won't see it. But the more I come forward, the more you see it. Of course, there is a little bit of leeway in case you're not exact, but you can hold your hands relatively relaxed like this. And then you can come over here, do your wiping motion as you show your hands empty, just have nothing, and then drop your hand, getting the coin into finger palm, which you've already learned. So as you drop your hand, the coin falls into finger palm. As you hold this out, as you pretend to grab nothing. See, now watch. You're going to take this coin like that. You see it? It's just a little bit invisible. Now you're back in thumb palm, and you just grab the coin like this, and then you just give it a wave, and there you go. You've just produced a coin. So one more time, let's go into this. Have the coin in thumb clip. Just do a quick hand washing sequence. Grab a coin. Sage, have you seen one of these before? It's actually not really. It's kind of invisible. You just gotta give it a wave like that. Take the invisible ink off, and there you go. And there is an invisible coin made visible using a thumb clip. Just another quick note is the thumb clip steel. This is created by David Roth and is found in his Expert Coin Magic book. So as you close the hands, you're going to leave them a little bit loose, the fingers a little bit loose. So when you come over here and show that your hand is empty, You're going to shimmy that coin into heel clip here. This just goes to the base of the heel of the hand, and you're just going to hold that like that. And as you come over, you're going to cover that coin and just show that you have no sleeves. Okay, and just watch as the coin completely melts away, and that is how you can vanish it. And you have the coin stolen for whatever you need. Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you like this video, leave a like. If you want to see more content like this, just hit the subscribe button and also tap the bell so that you can get more notifications for when I post more. Thank you for joining me. Leave a comment below if you feel like it, and I will see you next time in the next video. See ya.